Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we are going to be doing two beauty box unboxings. So the first one is going to be my Allure Beauty Box, and the second one is going to be my Boxy Charm. These are both beauty subscription boxes. Allure is $15 a month, and I believe it is anywhere from like sample size to deluxe sample size to full size products. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below in case you guys want to get this box. So it does look like this when you open it, and it comes with a little booklet that basically gives you more information about the products. So I will go ahead and pull them out the order that they come in this little booklet. So the first product is a Youth to the People Age Prevention Cream. It says the full size of this retails for $48, and you buy it on youthtothepeople.com. It gives you a discount code too, I guess, or a code for free shipping. So that's kind of cool in case you like it. And it's supposed to be like all natural. It's vegan. That's what the packaging looks like. And let's see what it looks like. I love moisturizers and stuff like that. Love skincare. It doesn't really smell like anything, and it kind of looks like they skimped me on the product, guys. But yeah, so just like with my Sephora Play box, once I've tried this stuff, I will come back with an update and let you guys know how I like the stuff. So that's the moisturizer. And then next it says Skin Fix Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. That's what that looks like. It's just a lip balm, and it says that this retails for $4.99, and you buy it at qvc.com, and it is 40% coconut oil. It's supposed to be, again, like mostly natural, no synthetic flavors, color, glutens, paraben, or preservatives, so that's good. I'm interested in trying this because my lips have been so dry from wearing matte lipsticks. It's crazy. Ugh, I love the way that matte lipsticks look, but they dry my lips out so bad. I have to use like lip mask and everything. So we'll see how that works. And then next, we have a Burnt Bees lipstick, and I got the color Blush Basin 501. And show what it came in a box. So I guess this is from their like new line or something, I think, that everyone was reviewing, but it's just a pretty pinky nude. We'll see how it swatches. Yep, that looks wearable, and it's a full size. So Burnt Bees is a drugstore brand, so this retails for $8.99. And of course, right here it says that you could buy it at burntbees.com, but you get it anywhere drugstore makeup is sold. So that's really pretty, actually. I might wear this tomorrow. This is really pretty. I like that. I like this. So keep you guys updated on that. And then we have the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. And it's the, like the travel size one. I already have this mascara. I haven't worn it a lot, so I will try it. But I'll probably end up passing this on since I already have one. And you shouldn't keep mascara for that long anyways. So, and I have my favorites. So I'll go ahead and maybe pass that on to someone. Who knows? Maybe I'll like it and I'll keep it. And that retails, the full size retails for $23. And of course it says that you could buy it at tartcosmetics.com. And then, oh, that's cute. It says that if you enter this promo code, you get 10% off your purchase. Offer valid February 10th through March 10th. So that's cute. I'm like noticing that the products, some of the products that they have in the box, like they give you like codes for like free shipping, or like that one just said 10% off. That's nice. That's awesome for a subscription box. I like that. And then the next thing is the Clee Essence Moon Lighter Cushion. Sorry, I don't know why I read it like that, but that's this thing. And this is supposed to be a radiant skin calming moisture technology. I don't think that's what it's supposed to be. I'm guessing this is supposed to be like a highlighter, but cushion form. I don't know, guys. I don't know, but this is the full size, and this retails for $30, and you buy it at clecosmetics.com. I hope I'm saying that right. CLE. That's what this looks like. And let's see. I mean, Moonlighter sounds like a highlighter, right? Ugh. So when I open it, it looks like that. It has like a mirror, but not really. This is a weird mirror. Like, it's not really clear. Yeah. And then it comes with a little cushion thing that I guess you're supposed to use to apply it. You guys, this product sounds really weird. Then it's covered like that, so I'm gonna take that off. And looks like that when I open it. So I guess I'll swatch it. It is cushiony. Whoa. And I'm gonna blend it out just to, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I'll try it though. I'll try it. I'll let you guys know. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Kind of like sinks into your fine lines, like it's sunk into the fine lines of my hands. But I don't know. We'll try it. We'll try it. Don't knock it till you try it, right? So we'll try it. And then the last thing, which I'm realizing isn't in here, but they did send me something else. And it looks like it's like a little fragrance collection. That is, comes like that. That's cute. I love little samples of perfumes or little, oh, I love this stuff. I love little perfumes because, you know, you never use, I mean, I guess you do use a whole bottle of perfume, but it's like, I like to smell different. So that's cute. I'll let you guys know what I think about that. But yeah, that's it for my Allure Beauty Box. It was okay, I guess. Some interesting products. I guess we will see what my camera just gave off the low battery signal. But okay, I guess we'll see. We'll see. I'll try it. I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see. And then next, we're going to go ahead and move on to my Boxycharm. So, Boxycharm also, sorry guys, is a beauty subscription box that costs $21 a month. I have joined Boxycharm in the past, but I stopped because I was getting way too much stuff and I needed to chill. I was like, chill, I cannot try all this stuff at one time, so I chilled. So I got it back again, basically for YouTube. But yeah, so it is a beauty subscription box. Like I said, it's $21 a month. And I believe all the products are full size that they send you. Again, I will leave all the information in the description box below. And I believe everyone gets the same thing, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I'll leave everything in link down below. So this is like a good way, like if you're just getting into makeup, you don't really know what to try, you want to like see what's on trend, like this is a really good box. Like this helped me build my collection. But yeah, so it comes in a box like this, and then this is the card, and the card like tells you about the stuff inside the box. So I'm just going to randomly pull things out of this one. So the first thing I see is this brush set, which is the Crown Pro Trio brush set. It says it retails, comes together, and these retail for $29.99. I know that's an eyeshadow brush, but oh, it comes with like a little place for you to put your finger. That's kind of cool, actually. But to be honest with you, they don't feel as soft as like my Real Technique brushes. So I'll have to try them and see. I don't know how I feel about that packing on color, but I guess this is an eyeshadow brush, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to read that right now, but this looks like an eyeshadow brush. But I mean, brushes, you could use them for whatever. This looks like maybe like a concealer or like a highlighter. I don't know, but that's what I'll probably use it as. I mean, they're cute. Like, they look pretty because they have like the pink at the top, but I don't know. Oh, this one feels softer. And then they have like the big fluffy brush. So I'll try these out, and I guess I'll compare them to my other brushes that I have. But yeah, so that retails for $29.99. And then we have the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And this retails, this is the full size, and this retails for $28. And this is a shimmering cream eyeshadow. So kind of like those Stila eyeshadows that everyone loved. And of course, Cover FX is a familiar brand. They sell it at Sephora. So this is the color. It's like a pinkish purplish color. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty, guys. Oh, kind of looks like what I'm wearing on my eyes today. But not really. But I mean, like, you know, in a that's really pretty, actually. Definitely gonna try that. Definitely gonna try that because that's really pretty. All right, and then the next thing is this pure lip thingy, like a lip pencil kind of thing. It's white, so it doesn't really have a color. Let's see what this is. It has silver writing, but I can't really read it in front of all these lights. So it is the X Fox Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. This is the full size. It retails for $17. And it says, with an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliant beads, this 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliate plumps, hydrates, and smooths using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliant beads are used to buff away dead surface cells. It moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. So don't really like plumping products, but moisturizing and exfoliating is what I need, and it already comes like this. So I am actually really excited about this, and I cannot wait to try it and let you guys know. I don't think $17 is bad for something. If it does what it says it does, I don't think that's bad. Especially with everyone wearing these matte lipsticks, because, you know, we don't want crusty lips. Next, we have, a eyeliner. I kind of like got it everywhere. But it is the Vintage, is that what it is? Vintage Cosmetics. I've never heard of them. And it's the Smoky Eye Pencil. So I guess it's like, you know, meant to like smudge out and stuff. That's probably why it feels like really creamy. Yeah, that's like really creamy. And it's not that black, so I could see it like, you know, being used to smudge out. So I guess we'll try that. I don't really do smoky eyes, but, you know, we'll try it. We'll try it for YouTube. And then the last thing is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighting Palette. That sounds interesting. It comes in this like really pretty packaging. That's so pretty. But I can't with this silver, like in the lighting, like it's like blinding. I can't really, like it's hard for me to read with all these lights. But that is what it looks like. This actually reminds me of what I used today to highlight. I don't know if you guys can see my highlight, but it's like a purplish color. So I used something like this, and it reminds me of what my friend got me at TJ Maxx, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. Like this packaging is cute too. But yeah, so like it literally is literally the same, I think. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it out. So I used this color today on my cheekbones. You can see right there, kind of. And that, where am I going to swatch this? So that's the Anastasia one. You can see, maybe not. Not good at swatching, guys. Sorry, I'm learning. That's the Anastasia one. And then I'm going to pick up the other one. Oh no, that's very different. Swatched very, very different. So one is more purple. So this is the Naked one. What is this called? Naked Cosmetics. And this one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So they are different, but they look similar. So that's interesting. I don't know if I would really wear that on my face though, because it would probably look crazy. But the Anastasia one looked like it was going to be crazy, but this was my first time wearing it. It looked like it's more natural. Like, you know, looks like an actual wearable highlighter. So yeah, so that was everything that I got in my subscription boxes. I am kind of more excited about the Boxycharm one, like the products in there, especially like this, or the, you know, eyeliner. Who doesn't love eyeliner? And this thing, like, that sounds really interesting. The brushes, I mean, it's nice to have brushes, but I don't really care for them. And what else did I get? I got something else that I was excited about. Oh, and the Cover FX liquid eyeshadow. That I really want to try because it looks like the one that I'm wearing today from Huda Beauty. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget to, of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And my cat just opened my door. But yeah, leave me a comment. Thanks, guys.